Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, May the 24th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT approximately. So here today we are going to provide an update for the Dow. This is the chart of the Dow Jones Futures, YM Futures here. It's a 30-minute chart. It's a short-term outlook. We could see right here that we are calling this rally to the 25,952 as a wave B. Okay, and so if that is a wave B, that means we are in the wave C now. All right, and wave C needs to be in a 5 waves, right? So this either is, when you see a B, you have only two choices. Either it is a zigzag, an ABC zigzag, or it can also be a flat, which is also labeled as an ABC. But whether it is a zigzag or a flat, you know the C leg in both of those structures needs to be a 5 waves anyway, right? So we got this C leg here, 1, 2, now it's developing into 3 waves, 1, 2, and then now we are in the wave 3 in the blue degree, and subdivides into another impulse. So we are still only with 1 of 3, and now doing a wave 2 of 3, 4 more downside to finish this structure here in a 5 waves from the peak. Now you can see right here, as of now, the stem is still remains to be black. The reason for that, if you look at the larger time frame, and I will zoom out to the 4-hour chart. This is the P here, which is the P that you see in here in the 1-hour chart, 30 minutes chart. Now if this is the P, like I said, it has to be some sort of ABC, right? Then if you zoom out, then this is your A. So that means the first leg here from April 24 is an A, and this is labeled as a B. Now technically, you do need to break below the A to confirm that this is really your B, right? Because technically speaking, until we break below the A, we can do what we call a double correction like this before turning lower, right? And that's the reason why the stem is currently black, because we still do not have the lower low sequence yet. Now, when it breaks below the A, that will confirm that the C leg has started. Okay, until then, technically, you can say it can do double. However, if you look at the sectors within the US indices, they all already break down, right? So the broader index still holding up, because a lot of people nowadays, they just buy and sell on the indices itself. They don't buy and sell on the stocks. They buy and sell on the indices. So there is a lot more money that is being used to buy the index, because I mean, after the introduction of the index investing, basically many people now move to the index passive investing type, instead of trying to actively pick stocks. A lot of the hedge funds nowadays just buy and sell the index. Now, the index itself has not broken below here, but if you look at the sectors within the broader index, many of them already break down. For example, if you take a look, technology here, for example, technology sectors, XLK, this is an ETF. Now you can see it's already breaking down below this, right? So now showing a lower low, right? Financial, XLF, already breaks down, right? So the sectors within the broader indices, many of them breaks down already. XLI is in the industrial. The industrial sectors also breaks down here, right? And then you can also see consumer discretionary also broke down. So there's enough things here in the within the sectors to suggest that I think the bounce likely is gonna fail. And then even though we have not technically broken the previous low in the Dow here, technically we have not broken below here, but there are enough sectors within the the broader index that already broke down, and therefore we are looking for the downside at this point. So this is going to happen the next couple of trading days, maybe until President Trump and President Xi meet again in June in the G20 meeting. Then we're gonna get a little bit more um, stability again, as the market wants to wait and see what they come up with. Okay, so that's the update, guys. And for further updates on how to trade, or if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave or look at other forecasts, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is in the description of the video. We currently also have Memorial Day promotion. It's a 50% promotion, any plan you like. That offer is going to expire next week, so make sure you take advantage of that. And lastly, I want to also point out that I myself will be doing the Elliott Wave training, Elliott Wave seminar for free on the 1st of June. Okay, 1st of June is on Saturday, because I just want to make sure that everybody can join if you guys want to join, because I know that some of you guys are working full time. So it will be on Saturday, 1st of June at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, and that seminar is for free. You can register, and I will also put the link of that seminar in the description, so make sure you check the description of the video for 14 days trial, and then link to the seminar. And also yeah, other than that, I wish you all have a good weekend. All right, and I'll see you all again next week.